Hello. Today I'll be talking about a small engine repair reference center. It's a digital database of technical manuals for various types of small engines. So this is freely accessible to you with your library card. All you'll need to do to access it is click on the link below this video and enter your library card. If you don't have a library card, or if your library card's not working, you can contact the library, send an email to me, mmerlino@prpl.ca, or info@prpl.ca, and somebody will activate your library card. So what can you access in the Small Engine Repair and Reference Center? There are nearly 60,000 different technical manuals for smaller engines. So what are these? The largest selection is for motorcycles and marine motors, but there are also lots of technical manuals for ATVs, tractors, generators, lawnmowers, chainsaws, also, and lots of other small motors as well. Most of them, in case you wonder, like if your small motor would be in this database or not, most of them, about half of them, are motors that were produced since the year 2000. Of those that are older than year 2000, most of the other ones were produced in the 1980s and 90s. There are some manuals going back to the 50s, so there's some from the 50s, 60s, and 70s, but not that many. So not everything's there, but there's quite a few different technical manuals with specifications. So when you log in, what can you find? So when a motor is produced, they have the technical manual that accompanies it. In this database, there have been scans of these manuals divided by producer and engine type and the different issues inside of the manual. You'll see these documents available as PDFs, which you can download, and if you want, you can read them on your computer or you can print them off. Because they're scanned PDFs, it's not possible to search within the documents for keywords. Sort of unfortunate. But if you're just looking for diagrams, if you're doing some work on a motor yourself, and you just need a diagram about some component, how to put it back together, it's an excellent resource. If you have any trouble accessing this, need any help on this, or any other tech question, you let me know. mmerlino@prpl.ca. Thanks.